Hi. There's a gun on.
Shh, Ron. It's the quiet car. Gotta use your small inside voice in here, son.
There's a gun. Hey, this is nice. You stab me? Sure you want to talk this out?
Not particularly, no.
Okay.